What's up, guys? This particular LED. Ignore other stuff in the video, but this is how I used this particular LED, and you can change colors on it and things like that. So green, blue, whatever you want to set it as. But this is what the remote looks like. Just a simple, brightness and colors. I always keep mine on red. That's just me. But it does what it's intended to. It also has like a gel-like protector over it, so it's to save it from being damaged and that sort of thing. Now I will say this: you may need to get a wall plug for it. That's what I had to do, unless you are plugging it into a computer or that sort of thing. But it's great. It does what it's intended to do. I have the same similar one as this, also plugged or wrapped around my computer desk for work. So. It's a great LED strip for sure. So I really have no complaints. It's been working now for a while.